Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to edit the text on Speechify. Now you can edit the text in Speechify easily depending on whether you are using a custom text or a scanned document, or that is also an uploaded file. So if you want to edit the text but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your Speechify account, then you won't be able to edit the text. So simply open the Speechify app. So from here, first you just need to import any file or the text which you want to edit. So I'll simply put this for now and click on the option of add. So after doing all of it, click on the option of next, and from here you may also simply crop the image and do all of the things from here. So after doing all of it, click on the option of listen, and in this page to edit the text, you just need to click on the three dots at the very top right, and on the three dots you'll see the option of rename. So from this page you'll see the option of documents like icon which is next to the three dots. So click on it, and from there you may simply tap on the things and you may simply rename it from here, or also change the speech like this. So that's it. You may also change the size of the text, change the font, all of it. So this is for the scanned documents. So the thing for the scanned document is that you can simply change the scanned documents text. So if you have custom edited the font or the text, then you will be able to change it. And the thing is that if you have uploaded a PDF file or any other thing which has already been scanned and already been written, then you can directly edit in Speechify. You will need to simply edit it from other things like Word or the Google Docs. Then you need to simply re-upload the new version on it to listen it. So that's it. That's how you can edit the text on Speechify for the scanned documents. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.